Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In this video everyone, we're making banana or plantain crispy chips. Let me have a bite so you understand how crispy this is. Did you hear the sound? All right, do you know how I prepare it such that it is so crispy? Please keep watching because in this video I will share the tips on how to make it super crispy and yummy. Nigerian banana plantain is one of the most wanted, so let's dive into it. First, I have 2 fingers of unripe plantain or banana. Next, I will transfer them into a clean water and give it a proper rinse. I will be rinsing it in 2 ways. First, I'm rinsing this with the skin. Keep watching and see the other method. After that, I will transfer to a clean plate and then take my knife and begin to peel off the green skin. Keep watching everyone. We are making the most wanted and most popular Nigerian snack. Your children will love it and it's so easy to make. You will love it. Your guests will also love it. So after I peel them off, this is the second method of rinsing or washing. So first I take a small knife, begin to scrape the skin to remove any green parts left on the skin or attached to the skin, and after that I rinse and transfer to a tray. Now for us to get that crispy size, I use my carrot scraper to scrape them into desirable size, exactly what you see on the screen. Cut this until you get the quantity you would like to fry everyone. And when doing this, be very careful. If you don't know how to use this, don't worry, I will show you in my next video on how to use another instrument to have get the same shape. So after I cut it, the next thing is to sprinkle a pinch of salt and then mix to combine and allow to sit for just 2 minutes. While that is aside, I place my pan on fire. Once it dries up, I add my vegetable oil, and once it gets hot, I begin to add my already cut plantain bit by bit. Remember, it is super flat and so it can stick to its bodies, the other bodies. So to avoid that, I take a fork and separate them while on fire. Keep watching and don't go away. We are making Nigeria's most popular snack, everyone. It is school is open now, so your kids will love to have this as a snack. You would like to give them to your guests, and it is so easy and super delicious snack. So, and it does not even take time to fry because it's super flat. So within 3 to 5 minutes it is fried. If you don't take it away immediately, it's change color, it turns brown. So you don't need to go away. The moment you keep it and you add it to your oil to fry, just stay nearby and stir. Before you know it, it is properly fried. So we'll be doing this, repeat this until all your prepared plantain is fried. So repeat the same method until everything is fried. So it's super simple that way. If you've watched my video up to this point, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to like, comment and share, and watch the others. So after frying, everyone, just see how crispy it is. Super crispy. Man, everyone, this was delicious. Try it and give me your comment at the comment section, everyone. And you do not need much ingredients, just your plantain salt and your vegetable oil, and you're good to go, everyone. So just look at how it looked like on the screen. Don't you like it? Let me know at the comment section, everyone. Thanks so much, genuine subscribers, for your wonderful support. If you're new, thanks for coming. You are highly welcome to my channel, Ulelu Ruth Kitchen, and don't forget to like new videos. 2 new videos are updated every week on this channel, everyone. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Man, just look at the face of this crispy plantain chips. It's so presentable, everyone. Who will not like to have this with a chilled drink? Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends and families. And don't forget to turn on the bell for notification when new videos are updated in this channel. Alright, stay safe and see you in the next video.